Welcome back to JST Tech. Today, we're exploring a key component in thermal management, the CNC machined aluminum heatsink. In high-performance electronics, LED lighting, and power systems, managing heat is critical. That's where aluminum heatsinks come in. They efficiently transfer heat away from sensitive components, keeping systems cool and reliable. We use premium aluminum alloys known for excellent thermal conductivity, lightweight design, and corrosion resistance, ideal for everything from consumer electronics to industrial equipment. Our CNC machines cut every fin and channel with ultra-precise tolerances down to plus or minus 0.01 mm, ensuring maximum surface area and optimal airflow. From complex pin-fin designs to custom mounting features, our process delivers consistent quality and perfect fit every time. Whether it's prototypes or large volume orders, our team supports fast turnaround and full compliance with industry standards. Want to keep your devices running cool with precision-engineered heat sinks? Hit subscribe for more engineering insights, and leave a comment if you'd like a quote or have a custom design in mind.